In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test inbox rendering in Zoho campaigns. By the end, you'll know exactly how to send a clean test email and quickly confirm that your message looks right across different inboxes. First, open your web browser and search for Zoho. This is the quickest way to reach the official Zoho site without typing a long URL. From the search results, click the official Zoho link to head to the homepage. Next, log into your Zoho account. Use your standard credentials and complete any verification prompts you may see. Once you're in, you'll be presented with a list of Zoho apps. Choose Campaigns from the app list to open the email marketing workspace where your campaigns live and where you'll run your test. Inside Zoho Campaigns, click on Contacts and then click on Campaign. This helps you confirm you're working with the right audience and returns you to the campaign you're preparing to test. If you're already in your campaign editor, you're in the right place. Now, scroll down to the content section of your campaign. This is where your subject line, preview text, and email body are configured. Look for the Test Email option and click it. Test Email is designed to send a temporary copy of your message to specific addresses so you can check formatting, links, and images exactly as your subscribers would see them. You'll be prompted to select the email addresses for your test. Choose the addresses you want to use. Zoho allows you to send to up to 5 at once. For the most useful results, include a mix of inboxes you have access to, such as different providers or devices. This can help you spot layout shifts, font changes, or image blocking that might occur in certain email clients. Keep in mind that some corporate inboxes have stricter filters, so including a work address can reveal issues you might not see in a personal inbox. When your list of addresses is set, click Send Test Email. Zoho will dispatch the test immediately. Give it a moment to arrive, then open each inbox and review the message carefully. Check that your subject and preview text don't get cut off, your images load with proper alt text, your buttons and links work, and the spacing and fonts look consistent on both desktop and mobile. If something looks off, return to the content section, make your adjustments, and send another test until everything renders as intended. That's it. Your test is sent, and you're ready to validate how your campaign appears across inboxes.